What's up guys, this is Tutor right here and welcome to my channel. And today I will show you how to fix the issue of a printer that looks like this. Alright, as you can see, the paper has been blocked from being fed on the printer. So we will see what's the problem and we will fix the issue. Alright guys, with this scenario that we have with our printer, we have a 99.97% probability that there's a foreign object that blocks the bond paper or the paper from being fed in this printer. So what we're going to do is to unplug first the device to ensure our safety from being electrocuted, and let's remove the papers from the paper tray. And once we are done with this one, we need to disassemble this printer. So we have here a link above on how to disassemble this unit of printer, and it is one of the videos that we have here in our channel. You can directly click on that link for you to be able to see the detailed steps on how to disassemble this printer. And in this video we have it made in a fast forward manner so that we can consume time. Alright, so let's wait for the complete disassembly of this printer for us to be able to expose the internal parts and look for that foreign object that blocks our paper. And if you're new to this channel guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I would welcome you all to write down your comments down below for us to be able to interact with each other. Now that we have removed the cover of this printer, we will be able to see these parts right here. So let's screw first the ink tanks here to avoid spilling of inks, because we will be trying to look out any foreign part that may be visible or that may be present in this printer. This issue usually happens because our printer doesn't have a cover, so it should be applicable that we will make a cover for our printer whenever it is not used, so as to avoid falling debris inside the printer, to avoid issues like this in the future. So at this point in time, we need to position our print head right here so that we can try to take a look or to peek if something protrudes in the printer. Okay, so most likely we need to have our tool or a paper clip for us to be able to remove the spring that holds this part, the one that is shown in this video there. So here's the paper clip right now that looks like a hook for us to be able to remove the spring, for us to easily open these parts here that press the paper against the roller. So it is important that the paper will be pressed, because the roller that we have here will push the paper out as the printer progresses its printing process. So let's take a moment for us to completely remove all the springs. So there are 3 springs right here that we need to remove, so as we can easily peek inside the printer. Oh, there's a stapler wire here. we need to remove that one using tweezers. And this could be the possibility that the printer is unable to feed the paper properly because something blocks its way down here. So we will isolate that one using this tweezers that we have. Now you see that one? That is the foreign object that causes the problem with our printer. So since we already have found the problem that caused the issue in our printer, we will reinstall the springs and we will also reassemble our printer. Okay, so this might take time, so just keep on watching for you to be able to be guided on the steps on how to reinstall the printer. So again, for the steps of disassembly and reassembly of this model of printer, just click the link above. Ang ma-request gina sila kung wala aging limit pwede na mag-access. Now that we have completely reassembled the printer, let's put the power back on so the printer will be able to start, and let's do a print test. And by the way guys, there's a lot of videos like this that I have in my channel. If you're looking for guides or solutions to problems with your printer, kindly browse my channel for the videos that you would like. And please don't forget to add a subscription to my channel. Alright guys, so the print test is on process. And here we go. Alright, so you see the paper had no problem in feeding in the printer. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. And here's Turko right here, always saying have a great day.